Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's time for another speed clean by me. I just woke up. I'm being kind of quiet because Matt's still asleep in the bedroom, so we're gonna try to be quiet. But I'm gonna do a little, oh my gosh, I need to pluck my eyebrows. I'm gonna do a little different. I'm gonna do like a cook and clean with me. I know you guys are missing my cleaning videos, and you're missing me, I think. I haven't posted regularly for probably like 2 months. I don't know. I just kind of lost it. Like, my videos aren't getting views anymore. Like, I don't feel like you guys are even liking my videos anymore. So, I don't know. It kind of made me feel down. So, we're going to try this again. I'm going to try to do different things where it's more exciting. I've got my hair in a headband. I've never do that. That's step one. Just get into it. Do you like my purple shirt? Let's go.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet, hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, you go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right, it feels
I'll take us back to times when lives were similar and times that all seemed easier. Don't be afraid, I'll be the one to guide you through this endless maze. Don't look so sad, you're crying, eyes won't dry. You gotta drive with both headlights so we can see the world and we'll run away together like like you.
really good. Do you guys watch mukbangs? Here's your own little mini mukbang. I never really watched. I've watched like one. Are you supposed to eat in front of the camera? That apple blossom scent smells so good. Been obsessed with apple lately, like my hand soap, my smells. Maybe it's because it's hot out and it's such a light scent. This grilled chicken, we grilled this chicken a couple days ago. Like for the week, for meals or whatever. It's so juicy and it's like the barbecue flavor with the eggs. The eggs are like so juicy and the cheese, ugh. The eggs are not juicy. They're just fluffy. Want some? Yum. Kate's been sitting here the whole time, waiting for me to drop some. Do you want a treat? You want one? You ate all your breakfast already. You need a little treat? Well, come over here. No.
Come close to me. I'll whisper in your ear the things that we could be.
Look at my pineapple! I'm growing a pineapple. Look at it taking root. Can probably plant it soon. I just change the water out of it every couple days. This is my little hodgepodge of plants. I know I have some cherry tomatoes. That's what all these are. I've put vine tomatoes. I've put a cantaloupe seed in there. There's a whole bunch of stuff growing. I don't know what this one is. Maybe another tomato plant? No, doesn't look the same. But I'm excited. Woo!
The purple drapes that you were clothed in. We could live like royalty. I'll sing to you like a radio that's held beneath your window. Don't look so sad, you're crying, eyes won't dry. You've gotta drive with both headlights so we can see the world and we'll run away together like.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing. Like night into morning, I miss the open